Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Mitsubishi Lancer today, and we have replaced its factory radio unit with an Android screen. Here you can see the Android screen and its quality. It's a very beautiful screen with all the latest options, latest Android systems. We are selling Android 14 right now. Here you can see this is the navigation right now. I'm using the internet via Wi-Fi. So right now my Wi-Fi is connected here, where you can see, so all my navigation, my apps are working. For example, we have a YouTube app here as well, so you can see we have everything coming here. For example, if we search our channel, so here you can see, so we have our channel YouTube working here. So then we have other applications like Netflix and Spotify, lots of other applications that needs internet. Right now I don't have the account set up in this Android screen, but you can log in with your account and you can use the Spotify for free of cost, just a normal account you need. Then you have navigation like maps, we have Yandex Navi, we have the iGo navigation as well that I will install later on. Then we have App Store. From here you can change different kinds of themes, different kind of updates you can do from here. Like here you can see we have protocol updates that we can use, car UI update. I can show you like themes there. We have like different themes that are available here. Then we have aux, we have a Bluetooth application, CarLink, Chrome equalizer. That's the equalizer. This is a DSP full surround system. You can see the DSP settings that are available on the screen. We have a fan that is working on the back of the screen, that works with the temperature as well, or on always on as well. So we have two options. We have the file manager to copy, move files. Then we have gallery, we have Google, we have DVR. Right now the DVR is not connected, but you can connect the DVR and the back camera with the car with the stereo. So then we have like music player. In the music player I have some musics that I am working, steering wheels, original cameras, all the functions. If you have from factory, they will work as it is. So you can check the compatibility as well before purchasing for your car. So this stereo fits in almost more than 500 models. So just the cables and the CAN systems that you need and the frames. Then we have like some other applications like navigation shortcut, Netflix. But right now I cannot use Netflix. I don't have any account for Netflix. But here you can see Netflix is working. So we will not update. So here it's showing all the other options and all the movies and some stuff. Then we have radio. Radio works pretty much same as normal. You can use the steering wheel buttons as well for radio. You can shift the channels. You can attach the DAB as well. So there is an option to attach DAB antenna as well for the cars who have no DAB connectivity. Then we have Spotify, we have settings, we have steering wheel controls. You can adjust the steering wheel control by yourself. We have touch assistant, we have video player. You can watch the video while driving. So here is the video that we can watch. So you can see I can increase the sound as well. So here is the video. It's an HD screen, QLED. The screen quality that we are selling, we have different qualities. So then again we have the YouTube, Yandex Navi and voice search. So this is the screen that we are selling. This screen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. Right now I have an iPhone that is connected with the Bluetooth. I will go to the CarPlay app. This is the CarPlay app, so it will take a little bit time, like 3 to 4 seconds seconds. Then it will automatically shift to the Apple CarPlay menu. This is the Apple CarPlay menu that we can use. If I will put the address from my mobile phone, here you can see, so it will directly show all the navigation and other stuff from here. For example, so here I have the maps. If I search like we will go to pizza restaurants, we have this this pizza house, like it's for 2 to 5 kilometers from here. We will directly start here, we will go. So 9 minutes is showing, so it will show like here, and on the screen if we see, so it's working like this. So it will show all the information. You can zoom in, zoom out the navigation, and here it's the all address that is working. So here on the mobile phone it's showing the route address as well. So I will end the route, and here is the Apple CarPlay menu again. We have Swedish radio here as well, the SR Play app, so you can like play the popular all the music channels from here. Then we have some other apps like phone, music, maps, messages, iMessages now playing. We have back button, podcast, audiobooks. All the applications that supports Apple CarPlay functions will appear here automatically. So we have like 3 kind of navigations here. You can see this is the Google Maps. Then we have Waze here. So it's up to the customer which map he likes. So all are working with the Apple CarPlay. So they support fully CarPlay functions for all the screens. So that's the screen for today. This screen is supported for this car, but if you need any other screen for your own car, you can contact us with the description below. I will provide all the contact information, like you can email us or you can WhatsApp us. So we will help you to suggest which stereo fits in your car, and we have like solutions for almost all the cars, all the car models. So that's the video for today. See you next time with another video. That's it. Bye bye.